You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this British actor. If you want to learn more confusing names, including from Harry Potter, the cast, and the books and the series, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. You definitely want to learn from pronounced Paapa, Pa, a long R sound, and then Pa, Paapa, Paapa Essiedu, Essi, just like the spelling, Essi, A-du. How to pronounce the Royal Shakespeare Company, Paapa Essiedu. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.